welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how I make a healthy Whole30 paleo whatever version of a pumpkin spice latte. This is a really nice treat and it's not sugary. If you do like a sugary drink, then you can add some stevia or some swerve in this, but honestly it tastes really good on its own, healthy, and you don't have to worry about the guilt of drinking one of these from Starbucks or McDonald's or wherever else they serve them. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this, then keep watching and I will show you. So what you need to make a healthy version of pumpkin spice latte, you will need a cup of dark roast coffee. Now this is a light to medium roast, so I'm going to add an extra scoop to help darken it up. You will need half a cup of some sort of creamer, so whether that be full fat coconut milk, which I did not use. I picked up this already pre-done coconut creamer, but you could use a full fat coconut cream from the can, or almond milk or an almond cream similar to this. You will need 2 tablespoons of canned pumpkin puree, some pumpkin pie spice, and vanilla. It's that simple. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to put all the ingredients together in a blender, blend it up, and voila. So let's get making.